Welcome back, food adventurers. Today, we're diving into one of Peru's most famous and beloved dishes, ceviche. This simple yet iconic seafood dish has captured hearts worldwide, but there's so much more to it than meets the eye. Stick around as we explore some surprising, lesser-known facts about this Peruvian favorite. Ceviche, or ceviche, as it's also spelled in Peru, is a dish that's been around for centuries. It's made by marinating raw fish or seafood in lime juice, which cooks the fish in the acid, and then it's mixed with onions, chili peppers, and sometimes fresh cilantro. But did you know ceviche actually predates the arrival of limes in South America? Originally, ancient Peruvians used a type of fermented passion fruit to marinate the fish, long before Spanish lime trees arrived in South America. The dish was later adapted to include limes, giving us the tangy flavor we know today. So, let's dive into some amazing, lesser-known facts about ceviche that make this dish even more intriguing. While Peru is widely recognized as the birthplace of ceviche, the origins of marinated fish dishes go back thousands of years and are thought to have connections to the Mocha civilization, which dates as far back as 2,000 years. That's a history that predates most modern cuisines we know today. Ceviche is so beloved in Peru that it was declared part of the country's national cultural heritage in 2004, and there's even a National Ceviche Day celebrated every June 28th. During this time, you'll find ceviche festivals with all sorts of varieties to try. Not only is ceviche delicious, but it's also packed with health benefits. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, high in protein, and since it's made with fresh fish and citrus, it's a great source of vitamins and minerals. Some even call ceviche a superfood, thanks to all the nutrients it offers. When it comes to ceviche, the fish you choose is super important. In Peru, it's typically made with corvina or sea bass, but different regions and personal preferences might use anything from mahi-mahi to shrimp or even octopus. The fresher the fish, the better the ceviche. Timing is crucial when making ceviche. While it varies by taste, most Peruvian chefs agree that the fish should marinate in lime juice for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you leave it too long, the fish can turn mushy, losing the delicate texture that makes ceviche so unique. Ceviche isn't just popular in Peru, it's actually enjoyed across Latin America, with unique spins depending on the region. In Mexico, you'll often find ceviche served with avocado and tomato. In Ecuador, they add a bit of ketchup for sweetness, and in Chile, ceviche might even include smoked fish. Peru has a large Japanese community, and their influence on ceviche can be seen in Nikkei ceviche, which incorporates soy sauce, ginger, and sesame oil for a unique fusion of Japanese and Peruvian flavors. This variation adds a touch of umami, creating a deeper, savory flavor profile. Peruvian cevicherías are restaurants that specialize solely in ceviche and other seafood dishes. These establishments often open early in the day and close by late afternoon because it's a tradition to enjoy ceviche as a fresh, lunchtime dish rather than a dinner item. Leche de tigre, or tiger's milk, is the delicious, spicy marinade left over after making ceviche. In Peru, it's often enjoyed as a small shot, believed to be an aphrodisiac and a cure for hangovers. Some people even say it brings good luck. Did you know Peru's ceviche has become so famous that people travel from all over the world just to taste authentic ceviche? Culinary tourism in Peru is booming, and ceviche plays a huge part in attracting food lovers who want to experience the fresh, vibrant flavors of Peruvian cuisine. Did you know that ceviche may have originated as a preservation technique? In pre-Columbian times, preserving fish with salt and acid was a way to extend its shelf life. Before modern refrigeration, marinating fish with acidic ingredients allowed ancient civilizations to enjoy seafood even without today's technology. One of the secrets to Peruvian ceviche is that it's always prepared and served fresh, usually as a lunchtime dish. In fact, most Peruvians don't consider ceviche real if it's been stored overnight or refrigerated for later. It's all about freshness and that burst of just squeezed lime juice. That's why cevicherías close by late afternoon, depending on the region. Peruvians may use different types of citrus fruits to marinate their ceviche. While lime is popular in the coastal areas, further inland you might find variations that use oranges or even local sour fruits to add a unique twist to the marinade. Ceviche has strong roots in Peru's coastal communities, where fishing has been a way of life for centuries. Fishermen would often eat a basic form of ceviche right on the beach, using just caught fish and a few drops of lemon or lime. This direct connection to the sea is what makes Peruvian ceviche truly special and authentic. And there you have it, Peru's beloved ceviche, packed with history, culture, and more flavor than you'd ever imagine. Next time you take a bite of this incredible dish, you'll know all the fascinating details behind each delicious morsel. If you enjoyed this dive into Peruvian cuisine, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more foodie adventures from around the world.